Hey, what's up? So you're here because you want to see the unboxing of the Flex new rear handle saw. Now let's get right to it. I'm not gonna give you too much on this item because you know what, it's a new item. I don't know anything about it. I'm opening it from the factory, or actually from Lowe's. Not so much from the factory, but I'm opening it for the first time here on camera. And I'm just gonna put everything to the side. I'm just gonna put everything out. I mean, this is a quick video for you guys to see just kind of what comes in it. All right, so got the big Flex bag. Not too exciting. I mean, it's a bag, you know. You got a box here with the saw. You have the charger, which is, you know, it is what it is. It's a charger. It's a Flex. It's supposed to be for the new lithium stacked batteries, so that's a good thing. This kit cost me $3.99. So in case you're wondering, $399 at Lowe's. They have it now. As the making of this video, I'll be posting it here pretty soon. And so let's just check it out. Let's see what's. This is a one-time video, so I'm not gonna do any retakes or anything like that. So giving you guys my fair opinion, It's a pretty stout battery. Kind of feels sort of like Milwaukee's 12 amp hour battery, and this is a 10 amp hour battery. This is their new lithium stacked batteries. And I'll go around the camera. Now and I'll give you guys some close-ups. But so we have the saw blade here on the side. This comes with the blade, Flex blade, which is a really good blade. Flex makes good blades. I do like Flex blades. I like spider blades if I go with an off-brand or a brand that's a different company. I like spider. Diablo's really good too, though. Don't get me wrong. But I'm so excited to get this saw in my hands. It feels pretty light. It doesn't feel too heavy. It actually feels very decent. So let's put the blade on it. Let me just look at it real quick, because for the first time I have it in my hand. It feels real cool. Like when I see through it, I don't know if y'all have seen this on camera or not. It feels real skeletonized. I like that. So I guess that keeps the weight down. It's got the kind of a Makita style of, or DeWalt has it as well. Switch. The trigger feels real good. Just all the Flex tools usually do feel really good. Let's see. We got the onboard storage here. Let's put the blade on. Let's see how it goes. So we can. You can take this off after. I don't know. It's just kind of one of those. Do it beforehand. The pressure, the switch here feels decent. It's got some retention to it. The actual switch to depress and lock the arbor, so you can change the blade out. Let's check this out. It's got a lot of threads. It's good. Blade's not gonna fly off anytime soon. Hopefully. Regular arbor is not diamond punch out or anything like that. Oh, I like the smoothness of that blade guard. Let's put that in there. Close that back up. Gotta go reverse. Kind of like a AK-47 muzzle brake. It's reverse threads. All right, storage back in. The other way around, so it doesn't catch on nothing. Let me go around the camera. I'll hold this up so you can get some good footage of it. Or let me bring the camera to it. How about that? Yeah, it's just where we're gonna take a look at this baby. Get some really close-ups, some good close-ups of it. Look at that. like that. I like the feeling of it. It feels real good. I'm partial to rear handle saws, and I was really excited that Flex was coming out with one. You know, a lot of companies have taken forever to come out with the rear handle saw, and I like the Flex on their second launch. You know, they gave us one, and we'll see if it holds up. We'll see if it withstands the beating, the abuse. Not that I abuse my tools, but when I say abuse, it just means using it. Like, how is it going to perform on the job site? And is it going to last? Or the battery's going to last? There's one bar under it. It'll fire up. Let's fire it up. Here, let's put that in there. All right. Had a little retention to it. So with the battery in it, yeah, it feels pretty much on par with the Milwaukee. The lighter one of the bunch is gonna be Metabo. Metabo is the lightest. So let's fire it up and see how it sounds. I like that. It's got it's a rear handle saw with a light. That's good. Not all the rear handle saws have lights. That's a good thing. The dust extraction is supposed to be real good, shooting it off to the side. We will test it. I will go through and put it through what essentially is its paces. And it's not something that's gonna be crazy, because, you know, I take my time with my tools. I don't even like letting people borrow my tools. That's just how I am. But so here you have the notch where you can switch it to 56 degrees, 22.5. So the 0 has a V notch with the straight slot. I wonder if it has it in the back. Usually these saws will have it. Yeah, they do. I can see it right there. It's got the notches in the back, so you can see the notch from when you're looking at. You can put it on your line. If I could focus, see the 0 there, 45 to the right of it. So you put that on the mark, and, you know, witnessing your blade, obviously. And that's what the beauty of rear handle saws is that you can see the blade for right-handed users. And I could use this left-handed as well, and I have in several occasions. You know, rear handle saws are very versatile, and I just seem to be partial to them versus the sidewinders, you know, that are blade right. And I like that. I picked it up right away. As soon as I saw it on the shelf, I said, yes, I'm gonna take that. And they have the new Impact and the new Turbo drill kit with batteries, but it's $4.99. You know, this new lithium stack battery cells, they're not cheap. It's new technology, but it is definitely expensive. It is expensive because it's new. You know, it just came out, which is expected. You know, you expect certain tools to, when they're new and they're powerful, and Flex has made a name for itself. It really has. Flex is a really good tool. The construction of the plastics they use, the handles, the finish on the blade guards, the overmolding on the grips, the trigger feel. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a solid tool in your hand. It feels just as good as the Makitas, the Milwaukees, DeWalt. You name it, it has the qualities of good tools. And you know what I want for the Flex to come out with is a miter saw, though. If they come out with a miter saw soon, like within their next launch, or even halfway during the year, that'd be awesome. You know, because I love doing carpentry stuff. So, you know, I'm very partial to saws. Their sawzall is amazing, really fast, really strong. But here is the rear handle saw.